Good Friday morning, everybody. Meteorologist Danielle Noyes here for the 1 Degree Outside Weather Network, and this gorgeous stretch of fall weather continues. Yes, it's a chilly start again out there, not quite as cold as yesterday morning in many areas, and we're going to be warming up each day kind of incrementally through the weekend, through the start of next week with this big sprawling area of high pressure and control. Gusty onshore wind on the Cape today with the astronomical high tides from the full moon last night will result in some localized minor splashover at high tide during the early afternoon today in the most vulnerable spots. Next chance of rain, a few showers possible by Wednesday and Thursday of next week, but even that quick moving cold front that comes in doesn't look like that much moisture with it. So it's a mainly dry stretch. Chilly start at the bus stop for the school day forecast here with a warm coat this morning, but it is a day with the bright sunshine. You get a long sleeve by recess time. The feels like temperature you notice will be in the 50s and the lower 60s by the bus ride home and the walk home from school. So short sleeve is fine. They'll be able to throw that warm jacket or the sweatshirt in the backpack. Now, predicted wind gusts you're going to notice here on the map along the south coast of Cape Cod. Still a little bit strong this morning, 20 to 35 miles per hour, even some gusts over 20 in southern New England from the Hartford to Worcester to Boston stretch. This morning will ease over the course of the afternoon. Look what happens. The wind in northern New England is generally less than 10 miles per hour. It does ease through the late afternoon. Through the interior of southern New England, you still notice some gusts go 20 to 30 miles per hour on Cape Cod right on through the evening before they throttle back just a little bit. So a combination of that onshore wind and the astronomical high tides with that big ocean storm that's to our south will result in some of those pockets of splashover. Now, high temperatures today, a little bit milder than yesterday, still slightly cooler than average. Notice upper 50s to lower 60s. We've got 60 to 65, though, pretty pleasant here from southern Berkshire County in through Connecticut, 60 to 65 the farther north you go, southern Vermont in through central New Hampshire, bright sunshine today, barely a cloud in the sky. Upper 50s here from Jay to Coos County into far northwest Maine, and most of us will be running in the mid to upper 50s for the crown of Maine, around 60 though when you get along the Maine Turnpike and then back down to the mid coast as well. And now overnight tonight we get clear skies. The wind will be fairly light inland, but notice it's not as cold as the last few mornings. There may be some patchy frost through the interior. Notice where we go 34, 35 degrees for Pittsfield, Keene, St. Johnsbury, a couple upper 20s, the coolest spots in the far north country, northern New Hampshire into northern Maine. But most of us right around 40, you notice, all the way from the coastline of Maine back down to around 50 on Cape Cod, where the wind does stay a little bit active overnight tonight. We've got a beautiful weekend. More on that in Insights. And don't forget to download our app. It's free on the App Store and Google Play. You can just search Noyes' 1 Degree Outside Weather. And the swag store is open. Holiday season right around the corner. Can you believe it? Just check it out, swag.onedegreeoutside.com. Have a great day, everybody.